In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a report in Zendesk. So let's dive in and tackle this together. First of all, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner for the analytics icon, which looks like a little bar chart. Go ahead and click on that. You'll know it as Zendesk Explore. This will take you straight to the Explore home screen, and from here, you'll want to click on Add Report to get started. Now that you've opened up Zendesk Analytics, the next step is to choose a dataset. This part is crucial because each dataset lays out a different type of data you can analyze. If you're focusing on ticket metrics like open or solved tickets, select Support Tickets. For tracking changes to tickets over time, you might prefer the Support Updates History. There are also options for Support, SLA, as well as Talk, Chat, and Guide if you're interested in voice, chat, or knowledge-based metrics. After choosing the right fit, navigate to Queries and click on New Query. When it prompts you, select your chosen dataset, such as Support Tickets. With your dataset ready, it's time to build the query. Here, in the Query Builder, you'll be selecting your metrics. That's essentially what you want to measure. Some examples might include total tickets, replies, or full resolution time. Alongside metrics, you'll choose attributes, which is how you want to group your data. Think of attributes as categories like assignee name, ticket status, or when the ticket was created, perhaps by month. A handy tip to remember is to ask yourself, what do you want, versus by what do you want to see it? For instance, you might ask, what are the total tickets by group, by assignee, or by date? Next, you'll want to choose a visualization type. Once your data loads, take a look at the top toolbar where you'll find options like table, column, line, or pie charts. Zendesk defaults to a table view, but pick a format that best shares your data story. It might be a pie chart, or maybe a line graph suits your needs better. When you're happy with your visualization, it's time to filter and sort your data. Use the filter panel to refine your report further. Perhaps you only want to focus on tickets from the last 30 days or hone in on specific agents or groups. It's also a good idea to filter out any spam or test tickets that might skew your data. Finally, don't forget to save your hard work. Click Save and remember to give your report a meaningful name. You'll also want to choose a folder where it will live. Once saved, you can feature it in a dashboard or share it individually with others who need the insights. And that's it, folks. With these steps, you've now created a detailed and insightful report using Zendesk. Thanks for joining me, and happy reporting!